Imagine it's December 31st, 2026. You crushed all your goals. Your income is flourishing. Your body is the fittest it has ever been. Your relationships are deeper than before. Feels good thinking about it, right? But listen, this is not a delusion. It can become your reality. I'm giving you 5 lessons that will help you achieve this. Lesson 1: People's opinions. Most people are too busy worrying about themselves. They are not thinking about you. The embarrassing thing you did in class? Nobody remembers it. Stop living for an audience that does not exist. Lesson 2: Your body. Take care of your body now. Not when you are 30. Now. Sleep. Move. Eat real food. Your body is the only home you will ever live in. Treat it like one. Lesson 3: Friends. Not everyone who smiles at you is your friend. Real friends make you better. They push you. They are honest. They stay. One real friend is worth 100 fake ones. Choose quality, not quantity. Lesson 4: Comparison. Stop comparing your life to others. You are comparing your behind the scenes to their highlight reel. That person you envy. They are fighting battles you know nothing about. Run your own race. Lesson 5: Time. Time is the only thing you cannot get back. Money lost can be earned again. Time lost is gone forever. Be very careful who and what you give your time to. At 13, you have something most people would give everything for. Time. Don't waste it. So at the end, the things you learn after you know it all are the things that matter most.